So this is the Wonders of Waterfowl Workshop, and it's an opportunity for 4-H students across the state to come and learn about waterfowl. We learn about each waterfowl species ID, identifying them by the wing. We also go out and see, well, what are ducks eating in their habitat and what makes good habitat for ducks. So they get to go out to a moist soil unit, collect different types of food, come back in and look under the microscope, stereoscopes, and a lot of different preserved plants and insects to learn about that quality habitat and food that our ducks need.
We've got to learn about waterfowl and the different types there are, and also their wing identification and just how they can fly and the different colors they have, and some of their predators.
We also have UAM graduate students that are sharing their research through the banding and then the transmitter technology.
I started 4-H in my 7th grade year, and since then, until I graduated, I was with 4-H, did forestry competitions, going to different events, and just learning about everything. It was a great experience, and it's helped me tremendously because now, like I said, I'm pursuing a bachelor's in forestry and wildlife.
It's been really fun meeting new people, learning really what conservation is. I really had a good time, and this is only my first time. I want to come back here next year.
What I really hope they take away is the appreciation and the passion, kind of similar that I have to waterfowl wetlands, and how important it is to conserve wetlands, especially in this area of the world, because this is their wintering ground. Hoping that we're providing the food and the sanctuary and rest area for them to bulk up and get fat and build that protein so they can make their journey back north, and especially those hens, to be able to make sure that we're sustaining that population going forward. They're the next generation that are coming into this career potentially, and that they can serve these birds and these wetlands for the future, especially if they're hunters and they want to continue to hunt them.
Cooperative effort between the UAM students, people from UADA coming together, Extension, the 4-H agents, the Cache River National Wildlife Refuge is hosting us. So it's a lot of different organizations coming together really to bring up this next generation with conservation within our upcoming students and youth.